too many things with me on the Camino. So the thing that I'm trying to do is keep things as light as possible, but also have some stuff that might be comforting to take me along with me along the way. So previously I took all my camera equipment, drones, and the thing is I didn't really need any of it. The thing is, it was about making connections and, and really enjoying the time that I have here. So I'm going much more light. The only camera I'm bringing is this one, the Insta360. And so going from like 50 pounds of equipment down to like less than a pound is a tremendous decrease in weight. So let's go ahead and check out what I'm bringing here and show you what I have, okay? All right. I know that this is a little bit of a different type of video. So, all right, this is what I have going into my bag. I have toiletries for like doing a shower, have a small towel, have stuff for passport, cords, everything. Rain jacket for if it rains. I love these. I have a compression bag for all my clothes. I use a second bag here for my dirty clothes. Have a sleeping bag. Have a box to lock everything up. Have a bandanas and have collapsible hiking poles. I'm going to be going on the Camino Francés, so it's more important to have these than last time. I didn't have them previously because I'll be going through the Pyrenees, starting off in Saint Jean Pied de Port. The headlamp, which is kind of nice. All right. I also have sandals, and here's my pack that I got from Decathlon. Also, I have hiking shoes that are from North Face. They are quite comfortable. I was kind of questioning between getting Hoka's and other things, but going for like price point and making this a more affordable, ended up getting a great deal on these. So I have 3 pairs of socks here. This is basically a pair that will have like wicking, and if like I need a second pair to kind of keep everything a little tight in my shoe, I'll have a second pair of socks on. Have 3 pairs of underwear, 1 pair of long elastic pants to go under my shorts, long sleeve shirt that's similar, both lightweight, 2 pairs of shorts, 2 t-shirts, sunglasses, and sunscreen. Also have a thing for drying the clothes, hold it up, and a battery backup. And this is probably the heaviest thing that I'm carrying of everything. Well, I take that back. Might be these cashews. This is a thing that I found enjoyable to have on the previous Camino. I brought a kilo with me, and it was a great way to spark up a conversation, and it's a fantastic way of having a conversation starter with people. It's like, when you're walking, you get a little bit hungry, it's a nice little snack to offer to someone. So yeah, and I have some Kleenexes, just because it's nice to have those along the way. So yeah, so these are the things that I am taking with me on the Camino. If there's something here that you think that I'm missing, or you think that I'm overpacking, have too much stuff here, please let me know in the comments section. It's great to have an open conversation with people and help other travelers that are doing the Camino along the way too. So please let me know what you know about Camino. Is this your first time? Is this 100th, 30th, whatever? How many times have you done the Camino? And if it's your first time, and you want some type of answers about certain questions you might have, please drop them in the comment section, and I'll try to answer them as I have time to communicate on YouTube here. So, all right. Thank you so much for joining me on this quick video about what's in my bag for the Camino. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's a little bit fast, but just wanted to get a quick video, show you what's in my bag. No fluff, just showing you what's up. So if you like this video and you're not a part of the Typical Vagabond community, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for more notifications, and until then, I'll see you on the